By just a single click, I can instantly reach thousands of users on WhatsApp. And I'm not talking about boring text messages. I am talking about highly converting WhatsApp template with image, offers and quick button. It automatically delivered to 1000 plus users in seconds. Imagine this for your business. You launch a new product, run a limited time offer, announce a discount or want to generate bulk orders. So instead of manually messaging customer one by one, you simply click on this plus add broadcast and boom, your message instantly reaches thousands of users directly on WhatsApp. That's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video using Pabbly Chatflow. This is one of the most powerful WhatsApp broadcasting tool for businesses. And the crazy part, you don't need coding, you don't need technical knowledge. You can set up your entire broadcast campaign within minutes. So let's see how this works. At first, you have to go for pabbly.com/chatflow. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. After that, you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this access now button. And it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now the first and the most important step is to add your WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. On the left hand side, you will see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow. Now at first, you just have to design a professional meta approved WhatsApp template. This template includes image and the offer related informations. Now for creating this type of amazing templates, you just have to go in this templates feature. See, this is where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp templates for your different type of businesses. I have already created one by the name of solar lead generation. For creating a new one, you just have to click on this plus add template button. After that, click on this add template. If you want to create a template by using AI, then you will go with this option too. But I am clicking on this. And this template page is going to be appear in front of you, where at first you have to select the template category that I am selecting as marketing. Give your template one name. Let's say I entered the template name as solar installation offer. After that, you just have to select the language from here that I am selecting as English. Select the variable type that I am selecting as name. See, variable is used for sending a personalized message to each user. After that, you have to select the template type that I am selecting as image. For creating this type of template, you just have to select the template type as image. After that, enter the template content in this template format field. Here I have entered, and as soon as I have entered here, it will automatically visible here too. So basically, this is the final look of the template that are going to visible in front of your user. Here I am not adding any footer. If you want, then you can add it. After that, the interactive actions with multiple options. With this template, I want to add only one quick button. So for that, I am selecting this and adding a button name as book free consultation. See, my template is ready. This is the same template that I have selected here. And next, you just have to click on the submit button, and after some time, your template will get approved by Meta, and it is going to be appear here like this. So this is how easily you can create a WhatsApp templates inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. After designing the template, now we will go to the next part, means adding your contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. So for that, you just have to go in this contacts feature and click on this plus add contacts. After that, you can also add contacts manually one by one from here, but I refer you to add in bulk. For adding in bulk, you just have to select this option and upload the CSV file that contains all of your users' contacts. Now, what is CSV file? So CSV file is the simplest format of file that includes the user's details in the simplest format, like the first name, last name and the phone number. You can create a CSV file inside Google Sheets or Excel. I have created it by using Google Sheet. After adding all of my users' contact number and their name, I am downloading this file in a CSV format. Until the file gets downloaded, I want you to know that only CSV files is allowed with a 50 MB size limit and maximum of 2 lakhs contacts. Means you can upload up to 2 lakhs contacts by just one click. Now for uploading a CSV file, you just have to click on this option, click on this add new file and just drag and drop this file here. After that, click on this upload files button. See, the file is uploaded successfully. successfully select it from here and click on this insert button. So this is how easily you can add bulk contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. You can also create a contact list by clicking on this plus option. I have already created one by the name of new list where I added 51 contacts. So if you like this tool till now, then go and purchase it by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Trust me, this is the best tool that I have ever used. With the help of this tool, you can not just broadcast WhatsApp message, but you can create a WhatsApp chatbots, AI assistant, and many more. After adding all of my contacts, now we will go to the most important part, that is the setup of broadcast message. So for that, I'm directly going in this broadcast feature. See, this is the broadcast feature of Pabbly Chatflow. With the help of this, you can easily send a WhatsApp message to predefined list of contacts. It is perfect for announcement, promotions, and update. This is the safest way to send bulk messages without getting banned. Now for creating a new broadcast, you just have to click on this plus add broadcast button. After that, select the broadcast type from here that I'm selecting as broadcast campaign. Give your broadcast name that I'm entering as solar installation offer. Select the contact list from here that I'm selecting as new list. See, this is the same list that I have showed you previously. After that, the refined audience. If you want to exclude the contact list, you don't want to receive the broadcast, then you can select the contact list from this drop down. And if you want to exclude a broadcast from any specific contact, then you can select that contact from this list. Here I am not excluding the contact list as well as the contact. Next, when you enable this toggle, you can skip the contacts who messaged you within the last 24 hours so they don't receive a broadcast message again. After that, the message type with two options, name as pre-approved template message and regular message. If you want to send a regular message, then you will go with this option. Select the message type from here and enter the message in this field. But I refer you to go with this pre-approved template message because templates are approved by Meta and they follows all the WhatsApp guidelines. After that, I'm clicking on the select WhatsApp template button and selecting the solar lead generation template. Next, I want to add one image with this template. So for that, I'm clicking on this option. Now for adding a new image, you have to click on this plus add new image button and upload it from your gallery. I have already uploaded one. See, this is the image, so I'm selecting it and clicking on this insert button. So this is the final look of the template that was sent to my user. After that, I'm clicking on this done button. Moving forward, I'm going to test this broadcast by entering the username as test user in this field, and just only for the testing purpose, I am entering my number in this phone number field. After entering my number, I am clicking on the send test message button and see it says that test broadcast sent. Now I'm going to show you my WhatsApp account and automatically I received the same template message that I have selected here. This means that my broadcast setup is working perfectly. After that, you just have to schedule the broadcast. You can send this message to all of your contacts by selecting this no send instantly option and just click on this plus add broadcast. But I am scheduling this broadcast for later, so I am selecting this, and next I am selecting the date and time as 22 of May at 6 p.m. So on 22 of May 2026 at 6 p.m. this template is going to be sent to all of my contacts that are present inside this list. After that, I'm clicking on this plus add broadcast button. So this is how easily you can do the setup of broadcast message inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. As here it is visible that our broadcast is scheduled it successfully. You can also view the stats of your broadcast by clicking on this view stats button and also export the report. Here you can see the status is sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored, and failed. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while doing the setup of this amazing broadcast message, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. And not only this, whenever the user will click on this book free consultation button, then automatically the chatbots will take over the conversation by asking the user's information. It is only made possible with the help of this chatbot flow that I have designed inside the Pabbly Chatflow flow builder. So by using this single tool, you can create an AI assistant, WhatsApp chatbot, broadcast messages, templates, and many more. I have already created a separate detailed video of how you can create this flow. If you want it, then comment it. I will share the video link with all of you guys. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing tool of Pabbly Chatflow. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing amazing offers. This is exclusively for my viewers, so grab it as soon as possible. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.